What is happening, guys? So I'm here to show you a new kind of dust boot that I decided to make. So with the Elites coming out, a ton of people went with the 80mm mount, but they're going to use the Makita Router with the shim. So that got me thinking, because I've had a lot of people that come to me, bought dust boots, and then they upgrade to an 80mm down the road and they have to buy another dust boot. And I'm the type of person that I kind of feel bad. I mean, I get it. It's good business for me because they got to buy one boot, and then when they upgrade, they get another boot from me. And so I started thinking about what can I do to make a dust boot just designed for the Makita Router on the new Elite Series machines. There, people didn't have to upgrade. So what I came up with was this. And I'm going to show you how to install it right now and how it works. So I'll have a shim that you'll put in like this that goes the full length of the Makita Router. Then you take the router and you put this in, and then you take these 80mm spindle, 2.5 or 4 inch. You clamp it down just to the bottom of the plastic. And then the issue is this. Well, there's no way that's like 3 inches up to the collet nut. There's no way that this boot will work. So I'm going to make a package deal that will come with both bottoms. One for Makita Router, which you can't even see. Give it my camera. One for the Makita Router and one for a spindle. But this bottom will just pop right on up. And then the brush rings line up the 2 notches to the front, and it works perfectly, just like that. But that way, you already have both bottoms, and if your spindle or Makita Router ever fails, then you can obviously just swap to the other one. As simple as that. And I figured this was a really good idea for people who are trying to get the Elite, keep the Makita Router, but they only wanted to buy, they don't want to have to, you know, upgrade to the spindle right away. Well, now there's this option here that if you do upgrade to the spindle, you already have a boot that works. So thanks for watching, guys. I have some more items that I plan on releasing very soon that I'm excited about that are pretty cool. And all of my dust boots, the Nighthawk series, all do work with the new Elite mount. So thanks for watching, guys. Take care and God bless you.